Hadi Edo. Naya, you wanna talk to your cousin? The one in Africa. She speaks perfect English, better than yours. Here, talk to her. Oh, I know an excuse talking. Give it to me. Hey, assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam and assalamu alaikum back to you. First and foremost, may Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, have mercy on your soul, my dear sister. Second, I would like to tell you our forefathers in the land they come from, the greenery and the grass, so wonderfully beautiful. Third, I would like to encourage and intellectually teach you your religion. Sister, please tell me, do you know the 5 pillars of Islam? Me? Did you just ask me if I know the 5 pillars of Islam? What is wrong with you? Oh yeah, I'm not gonna talk to this little girl. Give me. Why you get mad? Oh, heated. Do you know 5 pillars of Islam? I'm suspicious. Do you know? Tell me. Tell me.